you for checking out the Rounding Decimal Places calculator from MathCelebrity.com. My name is Don Sevcik, founder of Math Celebrity, and today I'm going to show you a three-step process for how to round a number to a specific number of decimal places. First, let's walk through the definition of rounding. When we round a number, that means we make it simpler to read, and we do that by reducing the number of decimal places. We round a number to a specific number of decimal places. And when we do that, we have a three-step formula to round. So let's walk through the steps before we tackle a real-world problem. So here's our three-step formula. Step 1, we want to determine the number of decimal places we round to. We'll call this R. Next, we're going to find the next decimal place to the right of R. We call this the decider digit. Step 2a, if the decider digit is greater than or equal to 5, we round the R decimal place up one number. If the decider digit is less than 5, we keep the existing R digit. We do nothing with it. And finally, we remove all digits from the decider digit to the right. So start at the decider digit, move right, and get rid of all those numbers. With the three-step formula in mind, let's walk through an example. We want to round the number 25.69874 to 3 decimal places. Let's follow our three-step formula. R is 3. We want the third decimal place, which means our decider digit is 3 plus 1 or 4. Because the decider digit of 7 is greater than or equal to 5, we want to round the third decimal place up 1. This means we round the third digit up 1 from 8 to 9, and we drop everything else after that. So 25.69874, we'll round 8 up 1 to 9, we chop everything else. Here is our final rounded number. So round 25.69874 to 3 decimal places, and we get 25.699. Let's walk through another example, but this time we're going to round down. Round 25.69834 to 3 decimal places. I've used the exact problem on this slide, but I changed one decimal place. R, once again, is 3, our third digit. Our decider digit, again, is 4. Now, the decider digit is 3, and because it's less than 5, we keep the third digit as is. So we're going to keep 8. We're not going to do anything with that. We'll chop off everything else, starting at the decider digit to the right. So we chop the 3, 4, and we're left with 25.698. We followed the exact same steps as last problem, but because the decider digit was less than 5, we don't round the rounding digit up. We keep it as is. Now, in the future, or even right now, you're going to need homework help for rounding decimal places. And if you ever get stuck or you're unhappy with the explanation you get from your tutor, we've got an automated calculator for you. If you're on the Math Celebrity site, you already know how to use this. If you're finding us first from YouTube, I'm going to throw a link to this calculator in the description. And here's a couple of ways you can type in your problem and get a step-by-step walkthrough just like we did on the slide, but for any number. So let's walk through this for one example. Here is the link in the description of YouTube. So you type that in. You're going to go to the search box and you're going to type your problem. So let's just make up a homework problem. We're going to round 45.6987321 to 3 decimal places. Okay, now as you can see, we're going to take the three-step formula that we did in the slideshow. And as you can see, our decider digit is greater than 5. So we're going to round the third decimal place of 8 up 1 to 9. And we get 45.699. And what's nice about this calculator is if you use Excel or Google Sheets, we give you the formula of how to round your problem on there, because we know a lot of our fans use spreadsheets and Excel. So anytime you need help, you just type your problem in the search box just like this, and it will give you an instant step-by-step explanation. Now I want to thank you for spending time with me on this rounding decimal places calculator, and I will see you in the next video.